Hey, what's up everybody? This is Video Reborn. Thank you for watching the Air Max Tailwind 4 Supreme Cross Nike collab. It is a celebration of its 20th anniversary of this silhouette since the debut in 1999. It is outfitted in two colorways, the red and white and the black and blue. There was a lottery from the sneaker app for a chance to buy, which I didn't win, but I'm lucky that my friend was able to cop the red and white one and let me do an unboxing and review. It's obvious that Nike collab uses a black box with a Supreme logo on the side. This has a similar packaging as the Yakuzo by Undercover Lab from my other unboxing review. So let's get started. Flipping over the shoebox, we have the pull hole, and on the side we have the Supreme logo, and then another Supreme logo, and then a Nike embossed logo on the pull hole side. Once you pull out from the box, we have a really beautiful paper. The Supreme and Nike logos spread across the whole paper wrap, as you can see over here. Opening the paper wrap reveals the left side of the Tailwind 4 Supreme red and white colorway. Finally, removing the rest of the paper reveals the right side of the sneaker. And there's nothing left. Starting from the side, we have the white cutout leather and a speckled woven fabric in silver blending with the university red. This thing is fire, with the gold iridescent accent surrounding the red panel. Moving toward the front outsole, we have the T4, which stands for Tailwind 4. It's not some bubble tea franchise called T4, for sure. Then we are going to revisit the side to check out the midsole from 1999. At the back, there's a white swoosh in the red background and the Supreme logo across the leather. Then, when we look at the bottom of the outsole, reveals the Tailwind 4 Dual Pressure Heel, BRS 1000, and the air pocket. Moving to the top, there is the world famous at the shoe lace tips and the Supreme branding lace loop. Then, there is the silver swoosh at the top front red panel with the gray shades leather at the very front. The tongue is made of the same speckled red woven fabric similar to the side panels with the silver Air Max threading. Then there's the red insole with Supreme Cross Nike Air brandings. Let's try this kicks on and see how it fires. I'm gonna tie the world famous shoelace. Without the pull tab, my feet struggles to get in, and I need a shoehorn. After struggling a bit to slide my feet to the T4, the sizing's definitely true to size. It's definitely fire for the upcoming hot summer. However, it's too loud for me. You might like it, so please share your thoughts in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching. This is Video Reborn. Please hit the like button and subscribe.